Window tinting is a great way to enhance the appearance and privacy of your home or office. However, it is important to maintain the tint to keep it looking great and to ensure it lasts a long time. Cleaning window tint can be a bit tricky, but with the right techniques, you can keep your tint looking like new. Here are some tips on how to clean window tint. Number 1. Wait for the tint to cure. Before you clean your newly tinted windows, it is important to wait for the tint to cure. This can take anywhere from a few days to 180 days depending on the type of tint and the weather conditions. Please allow up to 30 days before cleaning or wiping down the windows. Cleaning the tint before it has fully cured can damage the film. Number 2. Use the right cleaning solution. Avoid using ammonia-based cleaning products as they can damage the tint and void your warranty. Instead, use a mild soap solution or a specialized window tint cleaner. You can also make your own cleaning solution by mixing water and vinegar in a 1:1 ratio. Number 3. Use a soft cloth. When cleaning your window tint, use a soft microfiber cloth or a sponge. Avoid using abrasive materials such as paper towels or scrub brushes as they can scratch the tint. Number 4. Avoid using excessive force. When cleaning your tint, avoid using excessive force or pressure. Gently wipe the surface of the tint with the cloth or sponge, and avoid rubbing too hard or using a back and forth motion. Number 5. Dry the tint. After cleaning the tint, be sure to dry it thoroughly. Use a clean, dry microfiber cloth to wipe away any excess water. This will prevent water spots and streaks from forming on the tint. By following these simple tips, you can keep your window tint looking like new for years to come. Remember to wait for the tint to cure. Use the right cleaning solution and materials, avoid using excessive force, and dry the tint thoroughly. With a little bit of care and attention, your window tint will continue to enhance the appearance and privacy of your home or office.